Welcome to the video. Today you're going to learn how to save a website as a PDF file. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and load up our web browser. This will work on any web browser, but I'm going to use Google Chrome. Once I've done that, we want to go to the website of choice. I'm going to be using Google, for example. Then we want to go ahead and load up the web browser options. On Chrome you can do this by clicking on the three dots in the top right. Then you want to go ahead and click on print. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl and P and it will bring up the printing menu. Now once the printing menu has loaded up, it's going to look something like this. Now what we want to do, and where it says destination, you want to make sure it's saved as save as PDF, and then you can choose whether you want your pages as landscape or portrait, and there's also a couple more options here, but that's mainly for printing. So once you've adjusted all of your options, you want to go ahead and click on save, and then you want to go ahead and save it to wherever you'd like. So I'm just going to save it on my desktop, for example. So we're back at the desktop, and as you can see the PDF file has saved. So if I go ahead and open it up, it's going to load up in my default web browser, and as you can see this is the screenshot that's on the other tab that we've just saved. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. So thank you for watching and have a good day.